I'm trying some different chips. These ones seem pretty more full than most chips I see. A lot of the chips I see now, they try to put less into the bag. Some sort of kettle brand, remind me of a Miss Vicky chips. So I can try these ones. Pretty up there, pretty close to $4 for one bag. $3 and like 50 cents or something. It's not the cheapest chip, but I never tried them. Because they have different flavors, so you usually get the salt and vinegar stuff from Miss Vicky's. Oh, crunch. Barbecue sauce. A little bit different flavor. Basic chip flavors, I see a lot like ketchup, salt and vinegar. I don't like salt and vinegar too much. Barbecue is pretty good though. What do you do in your mouth? Well, that really bothered me again, even though there should be around $2 at least. Seems like a cheaper brand, but pretty close to $4. You really have to have a good snack budget. I'm still trying to get movies in, and I'm trying to boost my snacks. So I keep snacks here, like I don't have one shelf. Well, I could move all the movies over a little bit and make one shelf dedicated to snacks, but it's alright. Grab a snack or grab chips, grab a movie, pop a movie in. My daily snacks here, it's not like I'm collecting snacks, so I have a budget to go through, so I cannot buy a whole lot of chips, but I might buy these again because I like Miss Vicky's and I like these ones. So far they're not that bad because they have barbecue. Miss Vicky's, they don't have that many variety. You only get so many Ruffle chips and get tired of eating the same chips all the time. So I don't try to get like Lay's all the time. I don't get Ruffles all the time. So get a little bit different chips sometimes. So I don't like hot chips either. So I stay away from the hot ones. Leave those with the hot people. I like the hot chips. But I like the mild chips. And barbecue is kind of mild, so it's got a bit of a zing to it. I'll definitely try to buy the kettle chips again. I bought 2 of them, so got enough chips here to last me a while. So pick a movie and pick some chips or pick some cookies and go. Thanks for watching. Snack time, I guess. Kettle chips. I got it because it was a barbecue flavor. Sometimes the cheaper chips, they're not very good, so you have to get the ones that are a little bit better sometimes. Have better zing to them. If you want the spicy ones, I don't, but thanks for watching.